more U.S. workers including a diplomat are called from Cuba and are being tested for possible brain injuries following reports of strange sounds. A female diplomat complained of an odd noise in her apartment in Havana. She told U.S. officials she started suffering health symptoms 2 days after noise. Another American worker had similar symptoms. They have both been brought home for evaluation and testing for possible brain injuries. Total of 26 Americans have been or are being tested for brain injuries from Cuba. Also this week, in China, 10 Americans complained of similar incidents and have been brought home for evaluation as well. 2 U.S. workers have been called from Cuba and are being tested for possible brain injuries, one of whom is diplomat and felt ill after hearing undefined sounds in her home in Havana. U.S. officials said Friday that they had called 2 workers from Cuba and were testing them for possible brain injury. Cuba said in a statement released by its foreign ministry that U.S. officials reported on the 29th of May that a female embassy official had reported experiencing health symptoms after hearing the sounds in her home 2 days earlier. Cuba said it sent investigators to the home who found no potential source of a sound and were not granted access to the official.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.